Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove an Instagram account from your account list. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram account. And you'll be taken to your home page here on Instagram. From there, click onto your profile. And then click on the free bar icon, top right hand corner of your screen. And then click onto settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down the bottom and then click on to log out of your account and then click on log out. So this is going to log me out. And now from here, click onto the drop down menu, click onto add account, click on log into existing account. And if you click on the three dotted bars next to your account name, click on remove, and there you go, that's removed from your account list on Instagram. So if I go ahead and remove Instagram, exit out of Instagram and then re-enter into Instagram, I'll click onto my profile picture, click on the drop down menu, and there you go, it's deleted from my list. So that's it guys, how to remove an Instagram account from your account list inside Instagram. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it.